Rang him up on the way home. Do you have a problem with me going back to the flat? No, I'm sorry about last night. It's just really raw. Yeah, I know. So here I am. Lather, rinse, repeat. Another long day. Although home slightly early. It's like an endurance challenge. But I can't seem to tell where the challenge stops and life begins at the moment. I knew the MA would be hard. It's kind of like when I was trying to learn to drive. Passing the tests seemed like an unattainable task. And then when I did my PGCE, I opted to do the level 7 instead of the level 5. And that seemed like an unattainable task. I managed both in the end. But the MA should have been just an MA. It should not have been everything else. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger and all those cliches. It would have been half term in a few days' time. I suppose the less said about that, the better. Really missing Kite today. Obviously missing Kelp. But I really could do with a cuddle with my girl. The avant-garde. Today was the ready-made. Completely ignored by the lecturer. Actually answered questions, was told I was wrong, and then just had my answers rephrased. But I recorded all of it on my phone, so evidence. That's one seriously pissed off guy. He had this major rant about why people weren't turning up at the people that were turning up, and really launched into this poor woman who's just started, demanding to know why she was starting 3 lectures into the module and every lecture's significant. We've had one lecture. We had one introductory lecture where he basically read out the reading list. And then last week's lecture, which would be easy to recover because most of the group are going to have to recover it. We had a support session today in the library, which was relatively useful. Picked up John's book, Professor John Roberts, highly esteemed by himself. He seems alright, really. I think you just have to know how to take him. I've brought my sketchbook home. Again, emphasis on home. Don't know if I'll get a chance to do any work. Maybe something over the weekend, hopefully.